So generating views and controllers in database first. I'm going to close this. Let me save it first. It's exactly, well, it's exactly the same as what we did in code first. So we're going to right click up on controllers. We're going to add, and you can either go into controller or new scaffolded item. And we want MVC 5 controller with views using entity framework. So if we click on our arrow for the model class, you'll see we've got course enrollment and student. So we're going to do this once for each one. Data context is Contaso University data entities. So we're going to select that. I'm going to go ahead and let them pluralize. And I'm going to click on add. All right, so there's one controller. And we're going to go ahead and add the next one. So that was for courses. And let's add one for enrollment. And we're going to go ahead and add one for students. And then our next step is going to be to update our layout, because now we have 3 new controllers. So I do have the code for you to copy paste. Interesting. And then once I save this, you do a little save all, I'm going to run a build. And that did succeed. So I'm going to go ahead and run the app. Okay, so you can take a look. And let's go ahead and pick students. And you'll notice that is a little faster, and that's because the database has already been generated. With code first, it's creating the database. Database first, it's already there. And you have all the same CRUD functions. What we are going to be doing to our student model is we're going to make a little change, and we're going to add middle name. And where we have to do that is in the original database project. And we can't do that here in this project because it's connected directly to that original database. Okay, so the next little segment is going to show you how to modify the database and then update the models.